In this problem, I'm going to show you how to find the least common multiple of two numbers. So normally, if you wanted to find it, you would just list all of the multiples of 54, and then list all of the multiples of 120, and then take the smallest common one. That's the least common multiple. The problem with that is that these numbers are huge, so that would be ridiculous. Instead, we're going to use the prime factorization of each number. This is really cool. So watch this. So let's start with 54. And we're going to just factor this. So 54 is 9 times 6. And then 9 is 3 times 3. So 3 and then 3. And then 6 is 3 times 2. 3, 2. Okay? So the prime factorization here would be 2. And then there's 3 3's, so it'd be 2 cubed. So that would be the prime factorization for 54. Okay. Now let's look at the prime factorization for 120. So 120 is 10 times 12. So this is 10 times 12. Okay. And then 10 is 5 times 2. So this is 5 times 2. And then 12 is 4 times 3. So this is 4 times 3. We can actually keep going because 4 is 2 times 2. Let's bring these guys down. So this is 3, this is 2, and this is 5. So we can write this as 2 cubed, there's 3 2's, times 3 times 5. This will be the prime factorization of 120. So now here's the trick. You identify the greatest power of each prime factor. So let's start with 2. So for 2, the greatest power is going to be 2 cubed. I'm going to put that in a box. Okay. Now let's do 3. For 3, the greatest power is 3 cubed. So I'm going to put that in a box. Okay. The last one is 5. For 5, the greatest power is just 5. What's the line mean? Nothing. I just made that up. So I'm going to put that in a box. So you take the greatest power of each prime factor, and then you just multiply them. The final answer would be 2 cubed times 3 cubed times 5. And I don't know what this is, so I'm going to put it in my calculator. You could probably do it, by hand, but let's just be a little bit lazy. I got 1080. So 1080. That would be the least common multiple of those two numbers. So it does take some work. Whenever the numbers are bigger, it does take a little bit of work. I hope this video has been helpful. Good luck.